Hi, it's Hannah with WTI. I love to have a nice light over our nightstands. However, a lot of them that you plug in, you see the cord hanging down, which has always bothered me, and I thought it always looked ugly. But this set has thrilled me because I can plug them in, and yet all you see is a rope, which is part of the decor. So you no longer have that ugly cord hanging down. That is my favorite thing. Also, the pulley actually works. You can unscrew it and the rope will go up and down, so you and your spouse can have the light at whatever height you individually want, which I think is pretty cool. I love the little pulley. We recently put in some barn doors, and so we have that hardware, and I feel like this matches it really nicely. They are on a dimmer, so they come with 2 light bulbs. There's the dimmer on the rope that you can use to make it brighter or a little bit softer, but you also can turn it all the way and it will turn off. It also has the switch on the actual lamp where you can turn it on and off that way as well. Like I said, it comes with these 2 beautiful light bulbs. All in all, I am thrilled with this. It has solved all the problems I've ever had with them. It is bright when I want it bright. It is dim when I want it dim. And there's no ugly cord hanging down my wall.
But that's just my point of view.